Okay, you know how this story starts. In the beginning, there wasn't shit. Literally, nothing but void and darkness. And that's how the darkness liked it. It wasn't until God decreed, turn on the lights, that things got nasty. It started out small. A planet here, a sun there. You know, next thing you know, there were humans and cows and then stuff running all over the place. Needless to say, the darkness was pissed. From then till now, the darkness tore its way through the world, inhabiting one human host after another, each thinking that they were its master. But you can't own the darkness. The darkness owns you. Fast forward to one Jackie Estacado. You know his type. No family, no hope, no future. He ended up about what you'd expect, busting heads for the Franchetti crime family. Life as a whole was pretty dark for Jackie. Then came his 21st birthday, and things got a whole lot darker. And then you might think that inheriting superpowers would be pretty cool for Jackie, you know, being in the business of killing people and all. And if not for the demon living inside of him, you'd be right. See, the darkness didn't just make Jackie stronger, it made him a god. But only when the lights were out. Next thing you know, the mob turns on Jackie, marks him for death, just like that. It was the New York City mob versus Jackie. And the darkness. But as dark as things were for Jackie, there was a light in his life. And her name was Jenny. Now these kids, they went way back. I don't think anybody would disagree that they were meant for each other. If anything, that's the real tragedy in all this. See, the mob was still after Jackie. Now, they thought the quickest way to get him would be to take away, you know, his only reason for living. Killing Jenny was just about the dumbest thing the mob could have done. See, because without her, Jackie not only had nothing left to live for, he had nothing left to lose. As for the darkness, Jackie's kept it locked away for years, you know, but it doesn't matter how hard he tries. No one can hold back the night. If he can't control this thing inside him, pretty soon there won't be anything left. Jackie will be nothing but an empty shell. And that's just how the darkness likes it.
Right around the time he died, my father said to me, he said, Jackie, you can't outrun your fate. But you sure as hell gotta try. I didn't really know what he meant back then. See, there was something inside me. Something terrible. Waiting to get out. And when it did, it made me watch the only thing I ever cared about. Get her brains blown out right in front of me. Then it gave me the power to make things right. The kind of stuff you only see in your worst nightmares. The killing only made it stronger, harder to control. Eventually, I found a way to bury it. But ever since, it's been trying to get back out. It calls itself the Darkness.
Jackie, it's good to see you. Come on in.
Hiya, Vinny. How's the family?
Which one?
Hey, Jackie, check out the rack on the brunette to your right. No, your other right.
That's his left, dipshit.
Hey, Jackie, check it out. They put up a picture of your dad. He was a good man, your father. Good man. Well, look, this ain't no time to be depressed. Come on, boss. They got your usual table ready. Twins are waiting for you.
Terrific.
Hey there. Hey, yo, Paulie, I got you them tickets to the game. My treat. All right, take care. Joey, what's what? Oh, Mr. Galvani, nice to have you back in town.
This ravioli is too spicy. I can't taste the flavor.
Have you replace your meal?
Oh, Billy, how you doing? Not bad.
Hey, waiter. I'll take this to go.
Sure thing, Mr. Swifty.
Chop, chop. I gotta run. Let's
Oh,
move.
sorry about that, Gaston. Here you go, boss. Bon appetit.
Hi, Jackie. Remember us from the Candy Club? Well, do you? Sure he does.
Trust me, ladies. I wish I did.
Oh, shit! Jackie, get down! Jackie, you stay with me now. Oh, shit, look at his leg.
Vinny, what do we do?
You guys take point. I'm gonna pull Jackie out back. Jackie, listen to me. I'm gonna pull you out back, but you gotta take this. Keep these guys off our ass.
Finish! I'm gonna slaughter these pigs! I'm with you!
Come to the dock.
Estacado, you see some...
I said it was too spicy. Too spicy.
Who the hell are these guys? Fuck you think you are? Motherfucker!
Hold on, Jackie. Pick up the stairs.
You okay? Estacado, you piece of shit! My time's over, Dad. Richie, watch your back!
Hold on a sec. Hold on. Gotta catch my breath. Oh, you gotta give me a second, Jackie. I ain't been to the gym in weeks. Ah, Jesus Christ! Keep them off our backs!
That's him! I got the brick!
My boss, listen to me. I can see the kitchen from here. We can make a break for it, but you gotta take both pieces so I can lift you up.
All right.
Who put
Let's
out
go.
the lights? Shoot the fucker! We're taking heavy fire! I got the brick!
Almost there!
You okay? Take him down!
Oh, Jesus. I smell gas!
Hurry up, Vinny!
They're in there! That does it. Quick, give me a lighter. Burn in hell, Estacado!
Use my power or die. Never. Never again, you son of a bitch. I am your salvation.
Stronger than his father. Keep pushing him.
Still breathing, huh, motherfucker? Come on, come over here. I got something for you.
Embrace the darkness, Jackie. I'm free!
Oh, fuck! What the hell is that?
You see that?
Holy shit, it's the devil!
Jackie? Is that you? The rest of the guys are out on the street, boss. Head down the alley and meet up with them.
What is that? You got a monkey? I'm gonna take you apart, you pussy! No way! with local...
Oh, I love this song. Come on.
What the hell? Jenny? Hey!
Wait!
Yeah, something happened. I don't know, a big explosion. They probably heard it in Kansas. You're dead, asshole! I don't...
It's a fucking... It's Estacado! He's still alive!
You motherfuckers are gonna pay!
Take you apart! You're dead, asshole! He got me! Put the pin down! You hit! Screw you, Jackie! Oh! You're dead, Estacado! Estacado, you piece of shit! Watch out, Jackie! Hope you enjoyed the Kiss your ass goodbye,
You again. Was wondering when you were gonna show up.
I got a staccato. He's over here. You're not so tough now, are you? No! Ow! Ah!
Hello, monkey. It's been too long. Give us a hug.
I'll pass, but thanks for the help. What's that smell?
You tell me. I came from your noggin. Or did you forget that already? Come on then. Let's move. Ready to riot. Give us a hand with the door, would you, monkey? Move it! Move it! Places to go! People to kill! Ooh, lovely! Check it out, monkey! for these then, shall we? See if we can make you tic-tac again, eh? To be a real gun. Let's crack some heads. Bollocks! It's locked!
Do me a favor and see if you can open that box up there.
Done and done. Lock up your daughters. Shoot all the lights out.
Hope you enjoyed the stay.
Shoot that bastard! Mikado, you sucker!
Embrace the darkness!
For us. These ones were free.
You're dead, asshole! Let's finish this motherfucker!
Fucking dead, mate!
Over here, asshole! I'm gonna club you like a...
They went that way, down into the subway.
Well played!
Who the fuck are these guys, Jackie?
Find cover!
Let's fucking go! Can we go tear someone apart now? Stick to the dark, monkey. Nice and dark, just how we like it. Have to find a new way in, eh?
Screw you, Jackie!
Leave me there. Hurts. Take whatever you want, as long as I get some answers.
I don't believe this!
Playtime's over!
think you could take me down? Who the hell sent you?
Oh, I don't believe this! Oh my god!
You're dead, asshole! It's a fucking mission!
Attention, please. All trains will not be stopped.
Princess Staccato! Kiss your ass goodbye, scumbag! Yes for this, you asshole! Screw you!
Oh my god! What is that thing?
Kill that fucking dude! Estacado! He's tearing him to pieces!
I got nothing! He's here! God, cover me!
Attention, please. Emergency services have been notified. Please evacuate the area.
Estacato's coming, do it now!
Please proceed.
Princess Staccato!
Hello, monkey. Oh, let's go look at dead things.
Stay back!
Dance with me, Jackie.
Those will not die!
Where the hell am I? Johnny? Johnny fucking Powell. What are you doing here? And where the hell are we?
You let stupid stuff get in your head, then it gets all jumbled and weird, and people think you're nuts! Come find me, Jackie.
Hello.
Tony, what happened? Did you find the guys who hit us at the restaurant?
Sometimes I can't tell the difference between a fruit and a vegetable.
Jesus Christ, what is this place? I gotta get out of here.
I like...
You are the bringer of death. What the fuck was that?
Jackie, over here! Jesus Christ, Jackie, we thought you was dead. What happened back there?
I handle things, like I always do. What the hell's going on, Tony?
Hell if I know, boss. Look, we gotta get out of here. You go in your limo, and I'll go ride in the car with Vinny. He busted up a couple of ribs, but he's gonna be fine.
The first time you use the darkness, it scares you. But once you've tasted it, you can't stop. That's all you think about. Like I said, it consumes you. Every second of every day for the last 2 fucking years, I kept myself in check. Gritted my teeth and kept it buried. Oh, now it's back. And I can feel what it's doing to me.